Well, this is a mower deck off a SCOTTS 17.542, 42 inch, 17.5 horsepower SCOTTS, which is made by John Deere. So it could be very similar to a John Deere. When I pulled the mower deck off, I found I had some problems. A lot of cracking in here. This side of the bracket, this is the bracket that adjusts the height of the mower, or that holds the mower. I've got it's broke all the way around there on this side, and this side had a lot of cracking. I don't know if I can touch it. I just heated it up. All that's cracking. All up in there is cracking. Heated it up, beat it down, beat it back into submission. Pretty much where it was. It's fairly vertical here. It may be a 1/4 inch off or something like that. That might affect the mowing height, but I'm not really worried about that. So I cut this piece of angle iron. Get down here a little closer. Cut this piece of angle iron. I had to chew it out here a little bit for that bolt right there. Bolt and nut. That is for an adjustment. That bolt adjusts this up and down. So anyway, I'm going to weld that in there and stiffen this up because it was just about to break off. And I'm going to look around, see if anything else is messed up. I did an earlier video where this pulley had broken loose and was shifting up and was burning out belts, just hours on a mower belt, and it would burn it up. So I need to look at this one too. I don't see any problem with that bracket, but this bracket was just about to drop off. So I'm gonna weld that up and probably come in here and weld some of those cracks too, just for a little bit of stability. Beat it down, heated it up, beat it down best I could. It looks pretty good. So we'll try to fix it up. Well, so I went ahead and again on the back side where these cracks were, welded up the cracks. Don't talk about my welding. I am not a welder. I know that. You don't have to tell me that. But I believe it's solid as a rock now. A little Hobart 140 handler, and I think we're back in business. I've had the mower for 10 years or so. It was used when I bought it. Been a dang good little mower. Trying not to spend any more money. So anyway, this was a fix. If you've got one of these, check your brackets. They may be, it could be I just slammed into something, I don't know, but for whatever reason, this dude, I put some stress on that thing right there. So I think I fixed it up. We'll turn it over, take the blades off, sharpen them, put it back on the mower, be done with it, and hopefully it'll last for a few more years till I get tired of it, decide to buy a zero turn. Which may be soon, I don't know. All right, appreciate you watching. Click subscribe, ring the bell. We're gone.